The general quadratic formula is given by this, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant of the equation. To derive the quadratic formula, the first step is to divide through by a, and if we do so, we'll obtain this equation. You can see that I have taken the constant divided by a to the right hand side and it turns into negative. The second step is to add the square of the half the coefficient of x to both sides, and that half is just b over 2a. So you can see I have done that, and it is the same thing as this part, because the part added here in the left hand side can be cancelled by the part here in the right hand side. So step 3 is just the factorization of the left hand side, and in order to do that I need to find two terms that if I add will give me the coefficient of x, and if I multiply will give me the constant term in the left hand side, and that term will just be b over 2a, because b over 2a plus b over 2a will give me b over a, and b over 2a times b over 2a will just be b over 2a squared. So I will just have s squared plus b over 2ax plus b over 2ax plus b over 2a squared, and I will have my right hand side intact. So continuing with my factorization, I will just have x into s plus b over 2a plus b over 2a into x plus b over 2a, and then I will have minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. So from the two terms in the left hand side, we can see that s plus b over 2a is a common term. So I will just have s plus b over 2a, which is the common term, and then the first term here is just x, and the other term for s plus b over 2a is just b over 2a. So I will have plus b over 2a, and then I will have minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. So you can see that these two terms are the same, so I can just have them as s plus b over 2a squared. So the LCM for the right hand side is just 4a squared. So a into 4a squared will just be 4a times minus c. I will have minus 4ac. 4a squared into 4a squared is just 1 times b squared. I will have plus b squared. So the next step is to take the square root of both sides, and if I do that, I will have this. So this square will cancel this square root. So I will have s plus b over 2a is just plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So square root of 4a squared is just 2a. This plus or minus sign is added in order to account for all numbers that satisfy the original squared expression here. So solving further, we have s is just minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So 2a is the LCM here, and we will just have s is just, we have 2a minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So this is the derived quadratic formula in red. Now let us look at an example that we will solve using the quadratic formula. So comparing the example with the general quadratic equation, our a here is just 1, which is the coefficient of s squared. Our b will be minus 5, and then our c is just 6, which is the constant term. So we just need to substitute these terms in the formula. So s will just be minus 5 if you look at the formula, plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared, then minus 4. Our a is 1, our c is 6, and then we have 2 times our a, which is 1. So our x will just be 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared is 25. Then 4 times 1 times 6 is just 24, so minus 24. Then I have 2. So because of this plus or minus, and for any quadratic equation, you are expected to have 2 solutions. So the first solution, let us call it x1. We'll use the positive sign, so we'll just have 5 plus 25 minus 24 is just 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Then I have 2. So this will give me a solution of 6 over 2, which is just 3. So my x1 is 3. And my s2, now we will consider the negative sign. So I will have 5 minus the same thing, 1, then over 2. So it means I have 4 over 2, which is just 2. So my 2 solutions are just s1 is 3 and s2 is equal to 2. If you want to learn how to solve linear simultaneous equations using Gaussian elimination method, watch the video on the screen. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.